the bowl and she fainted. Give her an orange now.
If I want an orange, I would have fainted in the market.
Hey.
I want.
They want to kill me now. These children want to kill me. See. Can't you bother with these children?
Chichi, oh.
Hey, my sister.
What you doing?
I'm here cooking beans for my husband now.
Okay. That's good.
What is going on, my sister?
I just going to visit you now.
Yes, now.
Okay, so Chioma.
Yeah.
You don't have anything inside that belongs to you.
Hey. See now. Why every time you hungry? See, I don't have anything inside. I just come from the market, I'm cooking beans for my husband to come back. See, I don't have
now. Chichi, why you behaving like that?
No, I don't have anything in my house now.
You don't have to behave like that. So you want the whole village to know that I'm making you something to eat?
No, I'm not top of my
You don't have to be like that.
I'm only saying there's no food in my house.
Okay.
Leave me now. Leave me. Every time you come, you want to eat. You want to eat.
She don't be like that. I want to be friends now.
Yes, now. We're friends now.
Okay, I'll take my leave.
Okay. Look at the stupid children want to kill me. I want to cook my husband dinner before he's come back. Hey, child. Hey. See now. Children, why they want to kill me before my time now? Thank you, Jesus. My fire has kept now. I want my husband dinner. My husband to come back and see his dinner well prepared,
Chai! That's a beautiful thing. Beautiful. Chacha, you don't know. I have an idea. Hey, come. What do you think?
What has happened to you now? What has happened to you? Help! Help! Help now!
Child!
Oh! Chikomeka! Help! Help!
What is wrong with her?
She has fainted, oh!
What is wrong with her?
She has fainted!
See.
She has fainted, oh!
Fan her now.
Fan her now! Fan her now!
I don't have anything.
So what is wrong with her?
I don't know. I just coming down the
See,
bowl and she
yeah.
fainted.
Give her an orange now.
If I want an orange, I would have fainted in the market.
Hey.
I want sponge jam and peppers.
Hey.
Pick her up now.
see. So, you see money. I always come for them, but I don't want to arrange. I would have painted in the market. Hey, my sister.
Thank you.
What is this? Ask upon the diamond pepper soup. You give me gari. That's all I have now. Okay. Gari. Okay. You can give your friend some of the gari.
Please, I beg that. No. She already eaten at her own eh? This is just for me, eh?
Okay.
If you make this video, I thank you. See you tonight now. I'm going to announce the winner of this weekend for the $300 phone call, eh? So now we have Aunt Viv, Chantel, Betania, Sachet. See now, you people, you are not following the instruction. When you subscribe and you get others to subscribe, tell them that you send your name and your numbers. Look at the